all pickup truck owners understand the need to keep things secure in the truck bed. Whether navigating trails or cruising highways, this precision-engineered bed cover ensures your gear stays secure in any weather. Lock it at any position along the rails using the unique electromagnetic brake for customizable storage. Benefit from nearly full bed access as the cover smoothly retracts, maximizing your truck's storage potential. Crafted from heavy-duty aluminum with a matte black finish, it withstands daily wear and outdoor challenges. UV protection preserves its pristine appearance over time. The convenience of a remote key fob allows easy access to your truck bed with just a click, enhancing usability. Installation is a breeze. Avoid mishaps and unwanted attention by investing in rough country-powered retractable bed covers. Available for $2,700. The first patented adjustable divider system for pickups, say the creators of BedLock. They initially offered the kit for a 1.7-meter long truck bed at $400. The idea is simple. Special tiles are installed on the bed surface area, with attached spacers that can be easily adjusted to accommodate various loads, from gas cylinders to toolboxes. While BedLock's Kickstarter campaign fell short, the company persevered and began making BedLock to order. However, the price has increased to $499. Designed by the hardworking Limitless chassis team, this retrofit universal step serves two purposes seamlessly. It conveniently sits on the inside of your tailgate, remaining unobtrusive until needed. When you're ready to climb into your vehicle, a quick unfold with the assistance of gas springs allows you to effortlessly step up in just 5 seconds. Closing it is just as simple a one-handed operation suitable for all, including kids. For more, the step can be left in a half-open position to function as a load stop, ideal for those who use it for hauling. With a slim profile of only 40 millimeters when closed, it takes up minimal space in the tray. All of this for $895. Many pickups aspire to be dump trucks when they grow up, and they delight in upgrades like the Busy Dumper. With various versions available, the common theme is transforming the pickup into a dump truck. One of the models can handle a maximum payload of 2.7 tons and fits pickups with a cargo bed length of up to 2.4 meters. The company even provides an extra set of tail lights. With labor and other consumables included, this upgrade will set you back about $4,640. Check out the impressive custom Ford F-250 Super Duty by the DeBerti design team, featuring a powerful 900 horsepower engine. This uniquely designed pickup, showcased at SEMA Show, boasts hidden tool storage under the fenders. Truck magician Doug DeBerti and his son Brad have gained recognition for their dual-purpose rig, blending style and functionality in the truck restoration community. In collaboration with Boxer USA, he provides a walkthrough of this Ford chase truck, equipped for off-road races or construction sites. The build aims for a stock appearance, but transforms into an all-in-one support vehicle. Custom toolboxes with Boxer USA EVA foam inserts keep tools secure while driving. Pulling the rear bumper reveals additional storage, including a welding machine. The team also upgraded the wheels to sturdy 17-inch discs with 37-inch tires. If you're not in need of a dump truck, the MVS team recommends enhancing your pickup's aerodynamics, which usually leave much to be desired. MVS created the Aero X cap from scratch, attaching it to the pickup's cargo box for easy opening, thanks to gas shocks. For an extra cost, buyers can opt for a rear spoiler or a sound system. The experts initially introduced the Aero X for the Ford F-150, with promises on their website for more versions, including those for Chevrolet, Ram, Toyota, and Nissan. The F-150 version is available for $7,500. Tune Outdoors M1 truck camper, tested on a 2018 Ford F-150 Raptor, impressed with its simplicity. The bare interior featured only a mattress, a Yeti 1500 power station, and its mounting bracket. The pop top, operated manually, provided ample headroom and a spacious sleeping platform. However, the canvas coverings for mesh windows posed challenges, though Tune addressed such issues based on customer feedback. The full-size M1 offered 7 feet of headroom and a 60 by 78-inch sleeping platform, while the mid-size version accommodated trucks like the Toyota Tacoma with 6.5 feet of headroom and a 72-inch interior width. Constructed from lightweight materials, the M1 weighed 360 pounds, mid-size, and 450 pounds, full-size, blending seamlessly with powerful trucks like the Ford Raptor. On smaller vehicles like the Tacoma, owners might notice a more significant impact on performance and fuel efficiency and comfort. The setup provides a 360-degree view, customizable options, and lighting. You can tailor many features yourself, and prices begin at $113,000. If you own a pickup and an ATV, take a look at this. SXS cargo platforms are designed just for you. They're so good that they can carry equipment up to 4.2 meters long and 1.9 meters wide. These platforms boast a high payload capacity, with the SXS2 version supporting up to 1,293 kilograms. Moreover, the company has optimized it to the fullest, allowing the rider to physically sense the moment when the ATV is in the ideal position. The SXS2 platform is priced at $3,300. Here is a hassle-free solution for transporting extended loads with ease and safety. With its innovative design, it folds up like a blanket, conveniently fitting under your backseat when not in use. Save time and effort. The Sheett is incredibly simple to set up and store. It adds up to 2.4 meters of usable length to your truck bed, providing a secure way to transport. Its patent-pending design features a durable, water-resistant canvas body with reinforced seams for longevity. For added convenience, complement your Sheett with the load ratchet strap, an essential tool for a secure and controlled cinch on your load. With wider handles for better grip, this strap is ideal for use with lumber, plywood, heavy furniture, and pipes. The 2.4 meters version is available for $210. Black Armour mats aren't just another accessory for wealthy car owners. According to the creators, they inspire drivers and even encourage them to push the limits of what's possible. Perhaps because Black Armour is made from recycled tires. If even tires can have a new life, why can't drivers improve theirs? Additionally, the mats don't absorb water, don't produce odors, and are easy to clean. At 1.2 centimeters thick, they combine strength and flexibility. You can choose between a universal mat measuring 1.5 by 1.9 meters or a mat designed for a specific make and model of car. One mat costs about $330.